Hey guys, happy Monday and welcome to a new vlog. So today I have just returned from home and what am I talking about? I have just returned from work and I'm about to make dinner. I thought maybe I should pick you guys up while I am trying to get this done. This is like a beef with vegetable stew. I've made this before. You guys have seen me make this before. So yeah, I'm just gonna add a bunch of vegetables and together with this beef and cook it on a low heat for maybe 4 hours. 3-4 hours on low heat, and the meat gets very tender that you can just pull it with your hands. So yeah, welcome to a new vlog, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you're enjoying my vlogs, and leave me a comment, a heart or something, to tell me that you're enjoying my vlogs. All right, let me do this quickly.
maser. Skal vi trene sammen? Skal vi trene sammen? Skal vi trene sammen? Kan vi være så snill trene sammen, please?
Hvem?
William, han maser. Jeg blir lei av at han maser.
Ja.
Han er en masekopp.
Masekopp. Are you serious?
Det er sant. Han maser, og han maser, og han maser. Jeg er lei av at han maser.
Where is this thing? No, I can't do this. I need to add water here then. Because I need water, you see.
Au, jeg fikk øye. Jeg fikk øye til ham.
Lana, sorry.
Det går bra.
Tenkte kanskje jeg kan bruke det lydene.
Ikke hardt. Ikke hold i hardt. Au, dette gjør faktisk ganske vondt.
Lana. Shoot! It's not even tight enough. Here, so long. Let's go ahead. Sånn, siste, og så er vi ferdig. Sånn. Det er ikke sånn dere gjør det, Lana. Nei, close the fridge.
Jeg tror den er litt tynn.
Nei, it's waiting for his food, Lana.
Kan jeg please få litt chips?
Nei.
Men mamma, jeg er litt sulten.
Nei, du har fått litt å spise.
Jordbær.
watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Bye, good night.
Can we stay here
Get up.
forever?
Up.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Lana, get up.
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Oh, look, guys.
Forever.
It has been snowing
Forever.
last night. There's a little bit of snow on the trees.
I watch you as you
Ooh.
drive.
I can't
Do
believe
you
it's
know
already
I'm
snow.
looking?
Oh my goodness. It's pretty cold and there's snow everywhere. Woo. So I hope you're excited for the snowy vlogs. I don't know if I'm excited. I mean, it's just gonna be so cold and so much snow, and it's just November. It's November today is November the 16th. November the 16th, and we already have snow. And this stuff lasts until April. So I don't know. It's not gonna be very good. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys some packages that I got yesterday. Let's see. Let's start with this one. I ordered some boots from H&M Premium. I don't know if you guys know that H&M has premium, the premium section. This is the section where they have a little bit more of a higher quality, not a little bit more, they have higher quality pieces, and they are also more expensive, on the expensive side. So if I'm shopping, that's usually the section where I shop, at this H&M Premium. I don't know if you guys, if you go to H&M's website, you can always find the premium section and check out what they have there. So I ordered some boots. I already have boots, but I was thinking that the one I only have one, so maybe it would be good to have two so I can switch out. because of this crazy winter season and the cold. So I bought this one. How much did it cost me? Like $100, I think, which is not that much actually for a good high quality boots. I like the sole. This is very good for walking on the snow or ice. I'm gonna wear this one today, that's for sure. I don't have any socks on. Let's see. I'm just gonna try it on. I don't have any socks, but I'm sure it's okay. My size is 39, so hey. Oh, whenever you buy these things for the first time, put my feet in it. It's a problem. Maybe I need socks. Oh wait, there's a trick that we use in Nigeria. Use a spoon. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh my goodness. Come on, there we go. Woo. Yeah. I like them. They are pretty solid. Solid. Yeah. And I like that it hugs me here. Like this rubber stretchy material helps it to be a little bit more flexible, I guess. You can do like this. Okay, now I have to try and take it off. Oh, mommy, more. So, woo! That was crazy. But that's one of the packages. Let's take these things off. H&M, when they do, they usually have like, when something they say is a good quality, it usually is. And you can see the box here says H&M premium quality. I also got another boot. This is a much longer boot. Whoops. Whoa. Yes. Oh, this one also looks pretty solid. Pretty solid. Let's try it on. They just shove. I don't know. So, let's try this one. Putting them on the first time it's not very easy. I don't think I have the energy to get this one on, but you guys can see it's pretty cool. Longer boots keeps you warm a little bit more. I have 3 now. This one, but they are both different style. So, ooh, I'm not gonna try to force my feet in here. Oh, mommy mo, because ikablam mo. No hunani. I shouldn't get this thing off of my feet. You guys need to watch my struggles trying to get this thing off. My feet is not, it's not even in. It's just, I don't think I haven't had breakfast, so I don't have the energy. That's why I'm struggling so much. It's not because of the shoe, it's because I don't have any energy. I need to eat something. See that? My feet is just here. Oh, but I love it. I love it. Since we are on the floor, let's open the other package. This one is like gear, camera stuff, content creation stuff. Oops, sorry. Yes, all right. Let's start with the first one. So I ordered another external hard drive. I have one of these. It's what I use to store my stuff. If you are a content creator or you want to do this, you gotta have one of these. It's like an external drive, and this is a very good one. It's 1 terabyte, so it's compatible to. I think it's just made for MacBook Pro, Apple, because of the US the plug. I think so. USB-C for universal compatibility. I don't know if it's compatible to Windows, but I use it for my MacBook. I'm happy I have two. I also bought like this is like a small light that I'm going to have on top of my camera, because sometimes, especially now that it is winter, the sun doesn't come up until like right now. There is no sun, but it just got bright. It's like 8:30. So if I want to do vlogs like my breakfast in the morning with the kids, I need some extra additional light. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna place it on top of here. I think that's gonna be pretty cool. And it came with a small cable to connect it with. And I also bought a mouse, a wireless mouse. This one is for my computer, because usually when I'm editing my videos, I don't have a mouse. I only use the mouse on my computer, so it slows me down a little bit. Having an external, ooh, that's pretty cool. Look at the shape. That's really cool. Having a mouse will help me edit faster. That's pretty cool. Yeah. That is that. And then last but not the least, I bought a mobile phone gimbal, because I'm still expecting my oh, my battery is dying. I'm still expecting my my iPhone 14 Pro Max is still on the way. It's not shipped yet because it has been out of stock since it was first released. So I'm still waiting for it. That's why you guys haven't seen me talk about it. But I bought a gimbal because they said I've heard so much reviews that the camera quality on that phone is amazing. So I was thinking that it would be nice to vlog with it sometime. And if I want to vlog with it, I need to use something really good. So I bought a gimbal. Oh, look at it. It is beautiful. I'm supposed to use it to do vlogging, reels, so many cool stuff. I'm excited to use it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That is really awesome. Yes, I'm glad I have this. Alright, that's all I ordered. My camera is dying, so I need to hurry up. Sometimes I feel like I'm speaking so loud. But anyways, that's everything I ordered. I have a few more things that are on the way, so just have to wait for them to come. And yeah, I'm gonna get ready for work now, do my makeup, and have a cup of coffee, and I will catch you guys maybe in the city. Let's just take this piece off the way. My makeup is finished. I don't know, today I kind of brought my eyeliner a little bit up here, and I don't usually do that. Oh, my lips is so dry, I don't know. Anyways, makeup is done. It looks nice, doesn't it? Sometimes I have to wait for like 2-3 hours to actually get used to my makeup, and like, but I think it's nice. Let me take this thing off. My hair is dry now. Oops. So blend in my foundation into my hair because since I'm wearing this stuff, oh, it looks nasty. I don't get foundation into my hairline, and I need to always do this. Sometimes if I forget to do this and I leave for work, oh, I get so I get so annoyed with myself. But most of the time I remember. Clean my hands before I mess up my sweater. This is a sweater from the brand called Cezanne. It is the Parisian brand where I bought my blouses, the one I showed you guys. It's so pretty. It's cold out there. It's like 0 degrees. Very soon it's gonna be -1. All my pants are like super big. Look at this. This is just space. See that? One would think that this is my belly, but it's not. It's not my belly. It's just excess fabric on the. Let me see. It's hard to think that when I first bought these pants. Let's close the toilet. Oh, when I first bought these pants, all of these used to be my belly. All of this. It was so tight. Now look. Look at this. Look how. Look at all of this fabric. That's how much weight I've lost. That's how much weight I have lost. Look at this. So if I'm wearing it like this and this is puffing out, somebody will think this is my belly. But it's just the fabric. If it was like the right size, it would look like this. See that? But it's not. I need to go find a new pair of jeans because this is how my jeans needs to look. Not like this. Not like this. Oh, I hate it. I hate it a lot. I need to go find a pair of jeans soon. because I can't be walking out like this. But anyways, and that is a problem for later. Oh, my makeup does look nice, and I love my hair like this. I get questions like, why don't you braid your hair? Who is gonna braid it? I don't have anyone. I can do it myself, but I don't have the time. No one to braid my hair, and I just have to, and I like to have it like this because it makes me look put together. But I am going to braid my hair actually. I bought an attachment, as we say in Nigeria, from Amazon. It's on the way, and when it gets here, I will braid my hair myself for Christmas. I'm gonna give myself some, long braids, and I will, of course, show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Back in Nigeria when I was in high school, I used to braid hair. It's just a natural talent. I used to weave hair. I used to do like Ghana braiding on people. I used to do that. I can't believe I used to do that actually. Sometimes my sister asks me, why don't you do your hair yourself? And I'm like, I don't have time to do it. But I'm gonna start doing it again on my hair. Braiding my hair myself, weaving and all of that stuff. Yeah, so that's just gonna be a new YouTube series. Oh, I love my new lens. It's so big. Look how big it is. You can see my bathroom, everything. I'm just talking too much. All right, I'm leaving soon. I'm sorry if it looks like I'm loud. It's just I'm a Nigerian. When we talk, we're a little bit loud. My husband got used to it. His family got used to it. And my children, they can tell Lana is loud. Mika is loud. When we are loud. I remember when we went to Nigeria 2019 with all my in-laws and stuff. My mother-in-law said sometimes she thinks that we were quarreling because when we were together, there's so much loud noises, laughs. I miss my family. I'm bringing my mother here soon. I just need to make her bedroom downstairs, make it nice so when she comes. But she's coming here to stay for, I don't know how long, but she can stay here for a year because she's my mother. Even my father can stay here for a year because he's my father. But my sisters though, they can only stay here 3 months. But my mother can stay every 9 to 12 months at a time when she comes. So yeah, but anyways, let's leave this place and go to the city to work, and then the city. Hi guys, I just finished work. What day is this today? It's Thursday. Happy Thursday. I'm on my way to the center to get some to get a hair gel. What else? I don't know. Let's just find out when we get in there. There's a few things that I need from the mall. Yeah, so I wanted to just tell you guys what we're gonna do before we start doing it. I hope you guys are having a lovely day and your week is going well. It's very cold. As you can see, I'm wearing my coat. It's like -2 or something degrees. Really cold. It's gonna snow again on Sunday for 4 to 5 days, it says. So I don't know if we are ready for this winter and the snow. 6 months of this. Anyways, let's just go. guys, we are home. I picked up Lana on my way back. She's here.
Hi guys, look at this.
And I also bought some advent calendar for the chocolate advent calendar for the kids. This is Mika's. I don't think you can see it here. This is Mika's. It's like a big box with numbers, and each day he can open and find the chocolate in it. And this is for Lana. This one also has different days with chocolate in it.
I'm going to hit my other. I have 2 calendars.
Yeah, and this one. And I also picked up Father Christmas cups. This one's Lana has one, I have one. We're gonna use it to drink hot chocolate when it's time to drink hot chocolate. What else did I buy? Oh yeah, I also bought myself some Christmas mugs. I love mugs. It says Christmas is here too. For my coffee. Excited.
Look, I have LL calendar.
Wait, Lana, you can just put it in front of the camera.
We have so many.
You guys saw me pick up my gel. Picked up my gel. And what else did I buy there? I don't think I bought anything. This is just my pens from work. And that's it? That's all I bought? Is that all I bought? That's all I bought?
No, you bought
Is there something more there?
coffee.
Oh yeah, coffee. That's just it's just my usual breakfast blend coffee.
That was all.
That's it? Can you take this downstairs?
Wait. That one was good. I don't have it.
Just leave it on the entrance where I have the other box. You see it?
Yes.
And then when you come back, you take this to your room.
Yes, I'm
Because-
going to do it. What?
This is a Christmas light Christmas star that I bought recently. I think I showed you guys. In Norway, they use Christmas star. They hang it by the window during Christmas. Now I don't even know how to do this. I hope I don't destroy it.
Jeg er ikke så god på å sikte akkurat, men det får gå.
Alright, I fixed it. There was a tape. Oh, there's another tape. Ah. See that? Ah! Soon.
Yes!
I'm gonna put light bulbs in it, and then it's gonna glow. Julistiane means Christmas star. Christmas star. Christmas star. Oh, Christmas star. Hey, Christmas star. Hey, not Christmas style, Christmas star. This is what I found for the kids, or what I'm making for the kids. It's some pasta arrabbiata, it's called. Pasta with tomato sauce and a little bit of beef. And some mushrooms, I think. It's a good, nice portion for both Lana and Mika. Mika is a big eater. He eats a lot, so it's important that I give him enough portion so he can eat. It's kind of funny because everything he eats. Turn it off! Turn it off now! Mika has turned on vacuum cleaner. Mika! Turn it off! Hvis du ser på gulvet, så blir jeg veldig syk på deg.
Jeg skal love ikke gjøre det. Men tenk å gjøre det. Nei, prøv ikke søren.
Hva er det? Cozy? Den?
George has let go of his balloon.
Stop arguing. You can all be in the same team.
The children are all in.
You can play the grown-ups. You should call one by having
That's grown-ups team. All right. I'm quite good at cricket.
Yes. Well, this is basketball.
Mr. Elephant. Yes, yes.